Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word cellar. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He kept his wine collection in the cellar to preserve the flavor. A cellar is a room below ground level, typically used for storage of food, drinks, or household items that need a cool and dark environment for preservation. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.